Hey Vicky, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And looking through your website, these call to actions are super helpful for your conversions. So those are good to have. One thing that I would recommend here would be to add some more content to your homepage. The reason is that Google has crawlers and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So they're seeing what words are on here, what your photos are saved as, looking for keywords that you have embedded throughout. So you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout it. And here's an example of a keyword, foundation repair Dallas. And when your customers are searching this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. And if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses is you have a Google business profile that has more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. And then you want to have a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos here. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing, and the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing here. And this is where your website would be ranking. And it is important to be on this first page here because 90% of people stay on the first page. And you want to be as high up as possible. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website for this keyword. Brown foundation repair. They also have some good call to action buttons as well. And the form is helpful for conversions too. But it would be really easy for you to outdo them with the content. But let's take a look at the back end of each website. So I have Brown foundation repair plugged into Ahrefs. And we're going to take a look at some ratings pulled from Google data. UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. So Brown Foundation Repair has 36 and 6. And what's making up their ratings here are these backlinks that they have. They have 2.15 thousand backlinks coming from 204 referring domains. And what a backlink is it is one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it is important to know that there are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, and there are spammy ones that will bring them down. So it is important to be intentional when you are choosing backlinks. And then Brown Foundation has 532 keywords on their website. And if we take a look at yours here, I have your URL plugged into Ahrefs. You all have 20 and 1.4. And what's making up your ratings are these backlinks that you have, the 250 coming from 40 referring domains, and you all have 25 keywords on your website. And so what's important here, you would want to boost both of these numbers here so that they are higher than your competitors. The way that you do that is getting high quality backlinks. And then you do want to add all of the buyer intent keywords that you're wanting to be found for to your website. And if we go to Brown Foundation Repair here, one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You would go into these backlinks here that Brown Foundation Repair has, and you would link them to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And then let's take a look at some of their keywords. So they have these keywords on their website and they are ranking for them, so they are getting traffic from these. Foundation Repair Dallas, 1,000 people are searching for this every single month. Foundation Repair Dallas TX, 100, 100, 150, and we could just keep going through this list here of people searching for the service that you provide in the areas that you service. And so in order for you to get some of this traffic for yourself, you would want your Google Business Profile ranking, so add citations there, as well as having your website ranking on the first page for all the buyer intent keywords that you're interested in. So you'd want to have more high quality backlinks to your website so that you're boosting your authority and your trustworthiness, and then add more content and buyer intent keywords to your website. And I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love it if you'd give me a call to let me know if it was helpful, and I will let you know the joke of the day. Thank you for watching.